clambered into the loft on probably the hottest day of the year. Okay, so we're on Tuesday morning. Monday for me was a bit of a strange day. I had a call out in the morning, had to go and sort some bits out, and I just couldn't sort of motivate myself. I know Pete PB was on about this in one of his videos a few weeks ago. I'm just finding myself at the minute sort of letting myself be sidetracked with staying, like, not getting out early and getting the jobs done. I'll have another cup of coffee, or I'll pop to the merchants and do this before I go to that job. So at the minute I'm just driving, it's Tuesday morning now, I'm just driving through Warwickshire countryside out to a job I've got to do. I've got to fit a radiator in a kitchen conversion for someone, and my mind's just sort of wandering about stuff, what's going on and this, that and that. So I'm struggling to sort of get my head into work mode at the minute, and I'm not quite sure what it is. But anyway, I just thought I'd let you know that, really. If anyone else has that sort of thing, then just comment below. But yeah, so I'm just heading over there now, fit a radiator. I know we've got to bung the tanks on this one, so I will video what I can on this, and just need to sort of get my head back into the game, really, if you know what I mean. And we've also, thanks to everyone out there, we've also hit 6,000 subscribers. The subscribers on my channel just seem to constantly be going up, which is amazing. For the time I've been doing it, it just, you know, and all the comments seem to be great. People are loving it. So thanks a lot, everyone, for that. But keep subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, get subscribed, and like, comment below, etc, etc, all that jazz. It really does make a difference to how the channel comes across, who links to it and stuff like that. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, because I'm sure you're liking the content anyway. I'm just keeping it as I have done from day one. People like that. So right, let's get into this job. Let's go and get the kit out of the van, get the rad on the wall, and go from there. Right, just got set up on this job, got my kit out, got the rad out, just had a quick look. So I'll take you in now and show you exactly what we've got to get done on it. So this rad is going centre of this wall. So what we've done, we've measured centre of that wall, line the rad up centre of there, and the feeds, we've got to, basically the feeds are upstairs. We've got to get into this box on the other side of the wall. So rad's there, we're going to drill through, hopefully get it inside this boxing. Kitchen's going in here, hook up through the boxing, up there into the bedroom that's above, and connect on there. So as long as all that sort of lines up, it shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, we get this hung, skirting height, a couple of inches above the skirting, because we've got to drill through and run the pipes along and into that side, and then we'll get it measured up and get it on. See what they'll do, they'll get the door, they'll put the door, they'll come do the linking for you. Right, so that's the rad in place. I've marked from this wall to here is where that box is the other side. So what we're going to do, cut the box out in a minute, drill 2 pilot holes through there, and hopefully it will come out around here. So we're going to expose the bottom of this now, drill through, and then we can take the pipes straight up into the bedroom and connect on there. If my calculations are correct. 7. To him, when I seen him, I said, fair play, Bob, get out there. Right, so what we're going to try and do is drill this side of that stack, just get into here, and then I can fire 2 pipes up that way. So, a bit of precision drilling. Right, we've got 2 tails coming out there. That one's going to go in here, into the flow. That one will go that way. And then they've got to fill that anyway, so they can fill these couple of pilot holes anyway. So you've got that pipe work under there. We'll just pull bend down onto that. Pipe work there, pull bend down onto that, and then everything's in that boxing. We can pipe up from behind into that bedroom, hopefully. So they're the 2 tails for the rad. I'm going to try and get these plastic piles up through that box in, up. You can see 2 holes drilled through there and into the bedroom upstairs to connect on where the old rad was. So let's give that a go, shall we? See if that, oh yeah, perfect, there you go. So now I can pull a bit more through, connect onto the old flowing returns for the old heater, and then bring the other one up. Right, there we go, managed to pull them both through. So we've got both the feeds here. So what I'll do now, connect them downstairs, then get the heating drain down, and we can connect onto there with them. Right, just clambered into the loft on probably the hottest day of the year. Plugged the vent, plugged the fill. So we just caused that vacuum now in the system by bunging the tank. So now if I go and open up, cut the pipe, it shouldn't pull too much of the system through it. Right, okay, so we've got the tank bunged in the roof. Now we've got these two heating pipes here. So what I'm going to do is I've already put the couplers on the end of them plastic pipes. So what I'll do now is just mark it, cut that, and get that ready and just literally snatch it straight onto there. Because we've got the bungs in the tank, it will cause a vacuum, so not much water will come out. But I've put plenty of towels down underneath anyway, so we'll give this a go. See, there's no point in taking this cap off, because by the time that comes off, we've then got to cut it again. So you'll just fill this space up with water if there is water going to come out. So what I'll do is mark that up there, about there. Get the cup, get the slice on it. So this is ready to literally just be pushed straight on there. So then we just on, done. So you just got a slight little bit of water come out, but nothing too much. And then we'll do the same here. So we're not necessarily going to get soaking wet. There's always going to be that little bit of water in. But because we've got the tank bunged, it would literally come out and then just stop. It just looks a bit more dramatic than you'd like. Again with this one. So there you go, the pressure's off it. Literally just dribble, stopped. So the pressure was in that one's just dribbled and stopped. Push on, done. Just take the bung out of the tank now and it will fill back up. See, there you go, you bung it and it just lets that instant bit of pressure off it, and then as you've seen from the second one that I cut, absolutely fine. So we'll now go and take the bungs out of the tank and it will just fill the heat system back up with no airlocks. There we go, all filled up, piped up, filled up, straight off that feed above. So that's that sorted. Bung in the tank's just done the trick. And then we've got to take this pipe out, fill that, and away we go. As you can see, guess where I am, as usual, at the minute, back on this house renovation. So today, I'm at the top floor, very top of the building at the minute. So I'm going to start connecting the Rads up and work my way down. Decorators are getting the rooms finished off near enough now. So the Rads that are hung, I can now get piped up and work down and just sort of go from there really. Just sort of start to tidy up the levels and the floors of the house. So as you can see, I've just piped this one up. It's a bit of a pain because there's a massive, huge joist there, but the chippy will finish these floors off. Just got this one piped up here. Have to go into here for a little bit, but it's bloody hot in there, so I didn't stay in there long. So today I've mostly been piping Rads up and that and hanging them, so I might do a little bit of filming. If not, because I'm just quite conscious of putting too much content from this place in. I don't know if it'll get boring or what, or just let me know in comment below. I suppose people are liking seeing the progression from when it was just a complete shout, and now the second fixes are starting to go in and stuff. So just drop a message below, let me know, and hit the like button and the subscribe button if you haven't already. Right, let's get some Rads done. See, when you leave the little straggly bits off there, I like to just twist it in. It just sits a lot better inside there. Alright, so now I just sort of push the valve on where it's going to go. These tracer pencils are perfect for this, so we come directly down and mark a line like that, and then look from the side. Like so, and get it level looking down that way. Get it level looking down that way. Just mark the floor, ready for drilling. So then you've got exactly where it's going to go through, and then you can just drill it straight and you know it's going to be upright. So with that drilled in there, it's literally piping. I'll tighten it all up in a minute, but just to show you, straight down, straight in, job done. Paste around there, and tighten it up. Like so. And then the same for the return side, the other side of that. So we connect under the floor with an elbow and do the same for that side. Same again. There we go, perfect. Just connect it under the floor now. So there you go, I've basically got a day of doing what I've just showed you. Next one's here, another one in there, another one in there. You get the gist. So that's it then. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you Sunday.